Manufacturing didn't change overnight. It evolved, layer by layer, from cutting material away to adding intelligence into every layer. This is additive manufacturing, where precision replaces excess. It begins with polymers in near-net shape manufacturing, enabling lightweight, flexible, and application-specific components. It advances into the science of metals in near-net shape manufacturing, where microstructure, heat treatment, and material behavior define strength and reliability. These combine into metal matrix composites, delivering high performance for demanding engineering applications. With design for manufacturing and assembly, designs become optimized not just for appearance, but for manufacturability, quality, and scalability. Once printed, post-processing and software systems refine accuracy, strength, and surface finish, while rapid tooling, electronics manufacturing, and medical applications expand additive manufacturing into real-world, high-impact domains. This isn't the future. This is manufacturing. Now, get started. Build what others can't.